This tutorial review will show you how to make a Linktree page and add it to your TikTok profile. First of all, let's make a Linktree page. Open your browser, type here Linktree, open the first linktree.wa. Scroll down a little bit, here you'll find get started for free option, so tap on that. And now enter here a username for your Linktree account. If the name available, you will see a green border around the username, and enter here your email address. Tap on create account. Now create a strong password for your Linktree page. Tap on continue. Enter here your full name. Continue. Select one category that best describe your Linktree account. Pick your creative category. And here you will get two options to create a Linktree account. One is free account, another is pro account. And now select an option to create your account. I'm going to selecting the free and tapping on join for free. And it's time to verify your Gmail account, so tap on continue to my Linktree. And now we need to verify our Gmail account, so I'm going to opening my Gmail app and opening the verification mail here, tapping on verify email. And as you can see, my account has been successfully verified. I'm going to tapping on continue. Once you verified your Linktree account, it's time to customize your Linktree page. Tap on add link, and now you can add your social media's links here. You can add your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram profile link here. And to change your theme, tap on appearance. Now you can change your profile picture, you can add a profile title here, you can add your bio, you can add social icons by tapping here. Tap on add icon. Now select the social media you want to add, enter here the link. Once you finished your Linktree page customization, it's time to add this page to your TikTok profile. To do that, you have to tap on this share option at the top right. Tap on add to your socials, and here select TikTok, and you will get your Linktree profile link here, so tap on copy. Once you copied your Linktree page link, open your TikTok app, tap on your profile, tap on edit profile, tap on bio, and all you have to need, just paste here your Linktree page URL, tap on save. And as you can see, I've successfully added my Linktree page URL to my TikTok profile. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.